The projected XRP flow is $27 trillion with a possible $500 million. In the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency, XRP has the potential to be a game changer, with a staggering $27 trillion projected to enter the market according to experts. The market specialists have come to this conclusion. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently drawn attention to the massive quantity of cash owned by financial institutions. He stressed that XRP could be the answer to this massive issue. Notable Bitcoin figure Crypto Barbie took to Twitter to convey the CEO's feelings. She said, "Can you imagine what the price of XRP would be like if its market cap were $27 trillion? The ripple effects of XRP's skyrocketing market value are staggering, and the whole cryptocurrency sector is buzzing with anticipation at this astounding turn of events." An interesting aspect, though, is the prospect of an effect on the XRPL DeFi market even before numbers in the billions. There is now just one DeFi token that is part of the top 10 on XRP. 60% of XRP's market valuation is attributable to it. Crypto Barbie claims that the FDF token might experience a meteoric surge in value from 30 cents to $734 due to any sudden shock in supply, regardless of how long it takes. This becomes much more apparent when one thinks about the relatively small quantity of 120 million units. Similar remarks were made by Crypto Geek News, who also highlighted the revolutionary potential of XRP in the liquidity market. They went on to say that the CTF token has great potential for future growth. Being the only DeFi token included in XRPL, Top 10 adds an extra layer of excitement to CTF's potential. ATA Mixneek's Rage Calculator takes a bold stance, predicting a staggering $771 price for XRP. If its CEO, Graham Rodford, is correct in estimating that XRP may be worth $50 trillion, and it can only manage to grab 20 of that volume. During last year's Swell event, Rodford boldly predicted that the XRP ledger would be able to handle a massive volume of $50 trillion by the end of 2025. This projection, which encompasses just a fraction of the global $1, 5 cents quadrillion investment market, is motivated by the growing number of institutional users of blockchain technology and the trend towards tokenizing physical assets. One of the most prominent figures in this unfolding story is Kept, a crypto trading fund that allows regular people to earn passive income only by holding the CTF token. The rapid uptake of the token and its subsequent surge in value are examples of the ever-changing and unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market. The CTF token's ability to build its wallet in real time is what sets it apart from competing cryptocurrencies. This means that investors can directly access passive income as the total number of tokens held increases with each transaction. With every 500 tokens added to wallets, the value of the CTF token has increased by an astounding 14,000 since its launch. The focus on the growing community and the token's ability to provide holders with passive income is featured on the official crypto trading fund Twitter page. Experts predict the XRP will receive a massive infusion of $27 trillion, which has sparked optimism and enthusiasm in the cryptocurrency market. There is already a lot of enthusiasm in the market, and the possibility of ripple effects on tokens like XDF and XRP's high price predictions adds even more excitement. The future of these predictions is anyone's guess, but one thing is certain. The cryptocurrency market is still a great place to find interesting opportunities and wild speculation. After breaking through the 6 cents barrier level, the XRP price started a fresh uptrend. Now that the price has risen above 680 cents, bulls are actively trading with the potential goal of reaching 8 cents or even 8 cents. The breaking of the 6 cents barrier level marked the beginning of XRP's new upward trend. The price has been trading above the 100-minute simple moving average and 670 cents over the last 4 hours. On all XRP charts, save the 4-hour one, a strong bullish trend line is forming and finding support, nearly 660 cents or so. This chart's data is sourced from Kraken. Closing over the resistance zone at 720 cents would set the stage for a new surge for the pair in comparison to the 530 cent zone. The price of XRP has risen by more than 15% during the past several days. An uptrend broke through the 5 cents and 6 cents resistance levels. In addition to outperforming Ethereum and Bitcoin, it broke through the $650 barrier and crossed $15 yesterday. The price is now consolidating its gains after reaching a fresh high of 7,442. After rising from the swing low of 530 cents to the high of 7,442 cents, there was a small decline in price before it reached the $720 level. The price dropped below the 23.65 in-axis retracement line following the previous upward movement. For the last 4 hours, the price of a Ripple cryptocurrency has been trading above 660 cents. which is also the 100 simple moving average. Support near 660 cents is provided by a substantial positive trend line that is forming on the 4-hour chart of the XRT pair. Almost at the 720 cent threshold is where the first upward hurdle is. Surpassing the first critical obstacle near 7,440 might pave the way for the price to move up towards the 7,850 resistance level. Closing above the resistance zone of 7,850 per share can ignite a major advance. At about 80 cents, you'll find the next major obstacle. There is a chance that the price might rise and test the 850 cents level of resistance. The 880 cents barrier level may be within reach if the price keeps making increases and the bulls keep their position above the 80 cents level of resistance. Does another fall occur? If XRP fails to break through the resistance zone at 720 cents, a new negative trend may start. You might expect to see some initial downward support close to the $660 zone and the trend line, following the swing low at 6,350 and the high of 7,442 is the 50 Fibonacci retracement level, which is also the location of the next major support at 6,350. In the event of a closing below the 6,350 mark and a violation of the downside, the price may proceed to decline. Under the aforementioned conditions, the price may try to retest the 600 cent support area. Not only that, but neither of the alternative cryptocurrencies was relative strength indices. ARSS was higher than 64. Following the increase, the relative strength index briefly rose over 70, but it swiftly dropped back down below 70 as prices kept falling. A recent publication by the American Institute of Physics magazine acknowledged Ripple's endeavors in the XRP-driven cross-border payment business. Finding out what sectors around the world might be affected by blockchain technology's progress was the main goal of the study. When it comes to remittance transactions, Ripple and XRP are at the top of the market. The recent post on X by the pseudonymous XRP community member Roth Kakamiman highlighted Ripple's appreciation. According to Kulova, blockchain technology is finding more and more uses in many contemporary areas because of its ability to automate processes and its role in resolving issues connected to trust. It is applicable to a wide range of industries, from logistics to banking. Tech behemoths including Dish Network, Microsoft, PayPal, and Intuit were singled out by the researcher as having adopted the practice. In light of this development, the academic investigated many advantages that blockchain technology could provide to the managerial and entrepreneurial endeavors of businesses around the world. The enhanced privacy and security offered by blockchain technology was a prominent advantage. Evelina Kulova stressed that, in most cases, a single authentication of the sale is sufficient for online commercial transactions. The university scholar claims that this structure allows for fraudulent purchases because it lacks specific purchaser identification. The entire cost of identity theft hit a record high of $56 billion in 2020, according to Kulova. But Kulova said that in order for a blockchain system to work, validation must occur at every node in the network. This includes checking identities and confirming purchases. According to Kulova, the approach makes it harder to commit fraud by eliminating anonymity. The reduction of transaction fees for international money transfers and other similar services was another advantage of blockchain technology.